you, my dear student. If you wanna to learn English language, so please watch the English video and do work on yourself. If you do not work on yourself, if you do not practice yourself, so maybe you can't speak English. As you know that, my dear student, if you want to really learn English language, so that's why you need to push yourself. You need to improve yourself. Anyone person cannot help you. You need to help yourself. Really you want to learn English language, so my dear guys, the only focus on the English language. Don't focus other things, because your dream is very big. You want to become a great English trainer. We can say we become a great effective English speaker. So that's why work on your communication skill, work on your tonality, work on your vocal cord. If you work on your vocal cords, so you can become a great English speaker. My dear student, you want to really learn English language, so that's why do practice yourself. You need to talk with your friends. You need to talk yourself. If you do not talk yourself, so maybe you can't speak English. There is no big task to learn English language. It's a big task to learn English language. Some people go to the procrastination, so don't go to the procrastination. The only work on yourself. You need to push yourself. If you push yourself, if you work on yourself, if you work on your vocabulary, so that's why you can speak English. You can talk any one person. I know you are really passionate to learn English language, but what happen, sometimes you do not practice. Sometimes you go to the laziness. Sometimes you go to the procrastination, so you unable to speak English. You want to really speak English, just try to speak English. Just now start to speak English. Do not worry, I am doing mistake. Do not worry, I am doing mistake in English language. Try to speak English, try to practice. You can become a great English speaker. I hope you will be understand this audio. Thanks for listening.
Finally facing it all, fearless.